The way a document is formatted has a major impact on how its content is understood by readers. Dense and cluttered text deter readers and can prevent comprehension of the material. Formatting your key information using evidence-based practices can improve your readers' understanding of the information. This video will demonstrate simple formatting techniques to maximize comprehension. All of these changes are widely available, easy to implement, and can be done using a word processor. No special software required. So let's get started. Here you see key information that has all of the content required by the IRB, but it's quite difficult to read. The text is dense, the font is small, and there's no headings to guide us through the material. There's no way for readers to scan the information and quickly find what they're looking for. There's very little white space. That is, areas of the document that don't contain text. Increasing white space makes documents much easier to read. So let's talk about some ways we can increase white space using this example. Increase margin size. The margins of a document should be a minimum of 1 inch for the entire key information. Use easy-to-read fonts. Your font size should be 12 point or larger. In this example, the font size is only 11. Use bullets. Breaking up long paragraphs into shorter paragraphs also serves to increase white space. Creating a list using bullets is a great way to break up dense paragraphs of text or to show the steps in a process. Our example contains a cluttered paragraph that describes the risks of the study, and it's a perfect candidate for a bulleted list. I'll use headings to identify the main risks, followed by a bullet list that clearly identifies each risk in the category. Use headings. Headings are a great way to organize information and guide the reader to relevant topics. In this example, there are no headings, making it difficult to find specific content, so we need to add some headings to organize the information. This document has 6 key content areas. We'll add a heading for each. Leave spaces before and after your headings. Set the headings in bold, and in general, headings should be at least 1 font size larger than the body text on average. Use tables. Tables can help present complex information more clearly to the reader. In our example, participants need to complete a lot of different activities during the study, but it's not easy to quickly see what these activities are. By putting these activities into a table, the reader can easily and quickly see what's involved in the study. When using tables, remember to keep the font size at 12 point or larger, as tables are not an opportunity to cram in extra information. Here are some additional tips to help guide you. When formatting your key information, avoid using capital letters, italics, and underlining. Instead, use bold for emphasis, and use ragged right margins throughout the entire document. Now that our key information is formatting using evidence-based practices, it's much more clear and inviting to readers. Formatting key information in the ways we've demonstrated often means that the document may actually get longer, but that's okay. It will be easier to read and more easily understood. People may even read it faster. Plus, when we revise this document using plain language, as we show you how to do in our plain language tutorial, the length is reduced. If you want more details on how to format key information, check out our annotated key information samples on the ConsentTools website.